Want to quickly find passwords in KeePassXC? When your password database contains many accounts, manually searching through every group can take time. Fortunately, KeePassXC includes built-in search tools that help you quickly find usernames, passwords, and other saved information. In this guide, I'll show you how to search passwords in KeePassXC step by step. Let's get started. First, open KeePassXC and unlock your password database using your master password. Once the database is open, you'll see your groups and saved password entries. Next, locate the search box in the KeePassXC window. Enter a keyword related to the account you're looking for, such as the website name, service name, username, or another saved detail. As you type, KeePassXC will filter the entries to help you find the correct password quickly. Now review the matching entries displayed in the database. Select the result that matches the account you need. You can then open the entry to view the saved username, website address, notes, and other stored information. Once you've found the correct entry, you can copy the username or password to the clipboard and use it on the relevant website. You can also open the entry to review or edit the saved information. Using search makes it much easier to manage a large password database. After finding the password you need, clear the search field to return to your full list of password entries. When you're finished, save any changes and lock your database to protect your stored information. And that's how to search passwords in KeePassXC. Using the built-in search feature makes it easy to quickly find login information, even when your password database contains a large number of entries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.